How to comment anonymously on a Facebook group. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on this video we will see how we can comment anonymously on a Facebook group. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're logged in, now first of all, to get into anonymous page or anonymous Facebook group, tap on the profile icon along with three line icon just below the chat icon at the top right corner here. In this menu bar, you'll find an option of groups. Tap on it, and in this page you will be able to see all the groups that you have joined to your Facebook account. From there, select a group where you can find an anonymous post so that you can comment anonymously. Open up a page. Now here, scroll down and find an anonymous post. Here you have to note that you will only be able to comment anonymously on an anonymous post in this group. So anonymous comments are possible only under your anonymous post. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.